What is testing? Software systems are an integral part of our daily life. Most people have had experience with software that did not work as expected. Software that does not work correctly can lead to many problems, including loss of money, time or business reputation, and in extreme cases, even injury or death. Software testing assesses software quality and helps reducing the risk of software failure in operation. Software testing is a set of activities to discover defects and evaluate the quality of software artifacts. These artifacts, when being tested, are known as test objects. A common misconception about testing is that it only consists of executing tests, i.e., running the software and checking the test results. However, software testing also includes other activities and must be aligned with the software development lifecycle. Why is testing important? Guarantees quality. Ensures products meet customer expectations consistently. Risk reduction. Minimizes financial, safety, and reputational risks. Boosts reliability. Detects bugs early for improved performance. Continuous improvement. Provides feedback to optimize products and processes.